Sunday, May the 26th, 2024. We're in Watkinsville, Georgia at the railroad tracks. Looking into town, looking down towards Farmington, looking down towards Greensboro. We are using the GoPro Black 10 and also the Insta 360 on a selfie stick. At one time I found some dates on these tracks of I think 1919. I think they stamped the dates on them. I think I found some dates down in Farmington of 1898, 95, somewhere in there. Not positive, but we're going to walk the tracks a little bit. We walked the tracks over on the industrial side of Athens outside the loop a couple of weeks ago. People enjoyed that, so we're going to do this. When I talked to the engineer over there, he gave us a ride. We got a ride on the locomotive, so if you want to watch that, we do have a ride on the locomotives over there. But he said they're talking about opening this line back up over to Watkinsville from over there. He said the trestle needs a lot of work, but and I'm not sure if he's talking about the one over the middle Oconee or whether he's talking about the one that was right down the track from there, because I know the one that was right down the track from where we walked across is in bad shape. I don't know about, I'd like to get to the one down at the middle Oconee, but you got to go through UGA property if you walk the tracks on that side. With this Insta 360 on this selfie stick, you'll get a little bit different perspective. I like the more of a immersive virtual type of video. I haven't learned how to use it very good yet, but I think it's going to be very nice when we do learn how to use it and edit with it. That was right down the track from there, because I know the one that was right down the track from where we walked across is in bad shape. I don't know about, I'd like to get to the one down at the middle Oconee, but you got to go through UGA property if you walk the tracks on that side. This Insta 360 on this selfie stick, you'll get a little bit different perspective. I like the more of a immersive virtual type of video. I haven't learned how to use it very good yet, but I think it's going to be very nice when we do learn how to use it and edit with it. The color, that rust color on these tracks, really neat. I'm going to walk down here to the mimosa trees at least, see about getting some video of the mimosas. I think I finally started to get the angle right, and also the crock woogie. We usually have it tilted to the right too much. Hopefully that's got it better. And since this is 360, you can do all kind of stuff with it and get different perspectives. So this track is out of service right now. You can see A lot of these ties are in bad shape. They have to do a good bit of repair. But I think it would be profitable, especially with what's coming to Watkinsville, everything. Also with the wire plant down there, and then the development of the concrete plant back over there. I mean, Highway 15 is already a disaster, and Garnet Shoals is already a disaster. It's just going to really make it worse. But, you know, that's progress. If people don't hold their local officials accountable, that's what you're going to get. Log jam. Gotta be careful stepping on these cross ties. We'll go through and break our silly ankle. We have a bullet cord that we can put this on and zoom it around and around. Those mimosas look like they're about mimosa'd out. Like we're gonna run out of